Hey there, my name's Ayana. I'm getting ready to rent out our family's camper van for the first time with Outdoorsy. It's right here next to me. We love it for family camping, and hopefully our renters will too. Just received our Outdoorsy GPS Tracker that I'm going to install. So I'm going to open it up with you and install it, and we'll see how we like it. The GPS Tracker came in this little envelope. Pretty small. Had some freebies. Awesome. And then this is the little tracker. You can see it's super tiny. Doesn't look like much of anything. And it says I should text this code to a number. So I started doing that right here on my phone, and then it asks me for details, VIN, license plate, odometer, and I kind of messed up the VIN, so I'm gonna have to try that again, but I'll get it right. Now I'm ready to install, so just go to my driver's side here. It's gonna be different on every vehicle, but down underneath the dash, I'm looking for my diagnostic port here. This guy. Ooh, a little blurry. So I'm gonna take my plug, just like that, line her up, and stick it in. That's it. Some people I've heard have liked to take these off and hide them a little bit more, so mount it up behind with some Velcro or something, but I think we're gonna leave it there for now. So now I'm ready to take a look at it. I can come to my listing here and click on this spot, GPS. It loads it right up, shows where it currently is located. View details is cool. Shows me the path that the van took today. And those little red dots show when I was speeding. So pretty neat feature. I'm really excited to see how this does on our first rental this weekend.